Oh, sorry, Alan. I'm gonna blind you.
He doesn't need to see. It's okay. Keep pushing your nose. Keep pushing your nose. Keep pushing down. Keep pushing. Don't worry about that. Just keep pushing on your nose. A little more. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Can you autopilot landing?
Yeah. But that's not
that
fun
would be
either.
no fun. That's no fun.
Keep pushing on your nose.
I had a lot of complaints because I keep going from left to right.
You're all right. You're doing good. We're going to make this happen. Watch this. Keep pushing. There you go. Now hold it right about there. Nice and gentle.
500.
Keep pushing a little bit more. Don't come up. Don't let your nose come up. There you go. Keep pushing. As we get closer, smaller and smaller corrections.
Yeah.
Yeah. Keep pushing a little bit on the nose. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. There you go. Now pull ever so slightly. Just give it a little tug. A little tug.
100.
There you go, right there. Now don't just hold it.
Pull back.
50.
Yeah, push a little. Push down a little bit further.
40.
Push it. Push it. Push it. I'll tell you when to pull.
30.
Pull right now.
20.
Pull.
Retard.
Pull.
5.
God, I wanted to do it better than that.
All right. Pay attention.